I have never been to Lakemba since I have came to Australia. Everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel BB Breakthrough. Today we are going to visit to Lakemba. It's Ramadan time and we just want to try good street food there. Let's see how it goes. We are going to train station right from here, just like 5 minutes to train station over there, and then it's 40-minute traveling. Let's see how many different types of culture and different types of food we can see over there. I hope we'll enjoy the trip. We can see how they really celebrate this festival. We are really curious about it, to be honest. Like, I have never been to Lakemba since I have came to Australia. It's been like 8 years, but I have never saw that festival. But it's really, I heard it's really amazing.
And guys, this is my outfit for today. And this is his outfit.
Look guys, hot and cheesy. Yes salam, yes salam. قرب عالطيب عالطيب قرب عالطيب قرب عالطيب عالطيب.
This one is very nice. This one is very nice. Yeah, this soap from here, try the chicken skewers and this thing here is next to the station. Very good place to come and have a food.
After visiting Lakemba for 2 hours, we're going back to home. And thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.